Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a group on WeChat. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the WeChat application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already using your phone number and the login code. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the homepage, from which if you wish to create a group chat, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of the homepage. You will now see the new chat option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be able to create a group chat. Tap on the join private group option. You can then set up a code that you wish to add for your group. After entering this code, proceed forward and you will be the member of this group. Now in order to add more members, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and you will see the members at the top section. You can tap on the plus button and you will be able to add various different members from your contact. After adding your preferred members, you can also set up the group name by tapping on the group name option. Tap on this option and name your group whatever you wish. You can also share this group using the group QR code by tapping on group QR code. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a group on WeChat. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.